Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy Study Tutors. First of all, আমি কোয়েশ্চন আনসাৰবোৰ ডিসকাস কৰাৰ আগতে মই ক'লো তোমালোকে ঘৰতে থাকিবা কাৰণ দিনক দিনে আমাৰ কৰোনা ভাইৰাছৰ যেটো পৰিস্থিতি হেতু দিনক দিনে প্ৰায় ইনক্ৰিজ হৈ আছে। তোমালোকে ঘৰত থাকিবা আৰু ডিসটেন্স মেইনটেইন কৰি ৰাখিবা আৰু এই লকডাউনৰ সময়ত তোমালোকৰ এই এনসাৰবোৰ অলপ হলেও সহায়ক হ'ব বুলি মই আশা কৰিছো। মই আজি ক্লাস 12 যেটো ল স্প্ৰিং নামৰ লেসনটো আছে এনিস জংকলিকা হেতুৰ টেক্সচুৱেল কোৱেশ্চনছ থিংকিং এবাউট দ্য টেক্সট আন্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিংৰ যিবোৰ কোৱেশ্চন আছে এই গোটেইবোৰ ইয়াতে দি দিছো, তোমালোকে ভালদৰে চাই লবা। First textbook exercise যেটো আছে first question to হল আমাৰ what is Saheb looking for in the garbage dumps, where is he and where has he come from? Answer to hobo Saheb is a rag picker, garbage is wrapped in wonder for him, he is looking for gold in the garbage dump. Sometimes he finds a rupee, even a 10 rupee note. If luck favors, he can find a silver coin too. There is always hope of finding something more. Saheb has come from Dhaka in Bangladesh. Now he is living in Simapur. Full stop. It is a settlement of rag pickers at the outskirts of Delhi. 2 number question to Asemar. What explanation does the author offer the children not wearing footwear? Answer to Hobomar. Traveling across the country, the author has seen poor children walking barefoot without shoes. One explanation is that it has become a tradition for them to stay barefoot, but the author doubts it. The lack of money is the most valid explanation. Full stop. Children like Saheb cannot afford shoes. Full stop. When Saheb gets a pair of shoes, he does wear them. এইটো আছিল 2 নং আমাৰ যেটো আনসাৰটো আছে 2 নং আনসাৰ। এবাৰ 3 নম্বৰটো হ'ব আমাৰ is Saheb happy walking at the tea stall? Explain. Answer to hobo Saheb does not seem to be happy walking at the tea stall. Full stop. Now he feels bound and burdened. Full stop. The steel canister he holds now is very heavy. Full stop. The plastic bag he used to carry on his shoulder earlier was a very light. Full stop. But full stop. The bag was his own. Full stop. The canister belongs to the master. Full stop. Saheb is no longer his own master. It was 3 number question to answer. The 4 number to what makes the city of Firozabad famous? What makes the city of Firozabad famous? Answer to hobo Firozabad is famous for its bangles. Every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. Full stop. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry. Full stop. Families have spent generations making bangles for all the women in India. Full stop. 5 number question to hobo mention the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry. Answer to hobo workers in the glass bangles industry have to work in subhuman conditions. Full stop. They have to face many health hazards. Full stop. They go blind with the dust from polishing the glass of bangles. Full stop. They walk in dark hutments. Full stop. Moreover, the temperature around the furnaces remains unbearable high. It was 5 number question to answer. 6 number to say how is Mukesh's attitude to his situation different from that of his family? Answer to Mukesh belongs to a family of bangle makers. full stop, but he has no fascination for Bengal making, full stop. He insists on being his own master, full stop. He wants to become a motor mechanic. He wants to go to a garage and get the required training for the job. ইয়ালৈকে আছিল আমাৰ টেক্সট বুকৰ যিবোৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰ সেইবোৰ আছিল। এতিয়া আমি আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং দ্য টেক্সট এইটোৰ আমি ইয়াৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰ চাম এতিয়া। 1 নম্বৰটো আছে, হোৱাট কুড বি সাম অফ দ্য ৰিজনছ ফৰ দ্য মাইগ্ৰেশ্যন of people from villages to cities? Answer to have more and more people are migrating to cities, full stop. It has become a general trend. People migrate from villages to cities. The reasons for migration are many. First of all, pressure on land is increasing, full stop. Land cannot provide job opportunities for all, full stop. Population and lack of job opportunities have made the people turn to cities, full stop. The second reason of migration is the mechanization of farming, full stop. Hence the landless laborers don't get work at the farms, full stop. They are compelled to move to cities for working in industries, full stop. The third reason is the destruction of traditional arts and craft in the villages. Artisans don't have any market for their goods and craft in the villages. They need bigger markets for their products. All these factors lead to the migration of people from village to cities. 2 number question to say, would you agree that promises made to poor children are rarely kept? Question mark. Why do you think this happens in the incidents narrated in the text? Answer to hobo, yes, the promise made to the poor children are rarely kept, full stop. We live in a hypocritical world, full stop. We organize seminars to eliminate child labor in the country, full stop. India has the dubious distinction of having maximum numbers of child workers in the world, full stop. The more hazardous the industry, the more child workers it will employ, full stop. Take for an example the firework industry of Shivakashi in Tamil Nadu, full stop. Every year scores of children die due to blast in the factories. The administration sleeps over all these incidents. Paragraph sense kori amar yate ase, Anis Jung presents a genuine analysis of poor children employed in rag picking and Bengal making industry, full stop. The children of 10,000 rag pickers of Simapur expose the hollow claims of the authorities. The worst part is that it happens just on the outskirts of New Delhi. Full stop. Rag pickers of Simapuri and the child workers in the glass industries of Firozabad have never been to schools. They don't have any, they don't have even shoes. They have no dreams, no inactivities. Full stop. They are the softest targets for exploitation. 3 nong question to say, what forces conspire to keep the workers in the Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty? Answer to about, there are certain vested interests and forces that conspire to keep the workers in the Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty. Full stop. Anis Jung rightly analyzes that there are two distinct worlds operating in Firozabad. The first world consists of families engaged in the business of making bangles. They are exploited and they are caught in a web of poverty. Full stop. The other world consists of sahukars or money lenders, the middleman and the policeman. Full stop. Together under their eyes, 20,000 children work illegally in glass furnaces with high temperature. Full stop. Even the young fall in the vicious circle of middlemen. These agents trap their fathers and forefathers as well. If the young get themselves organized, they are hauled up by the police. Years of mind-numbing toil has killed all initiative in them. They can't think of organizing themselves into a cooperative. Full stop. Powerful people keep the workers in Bengal industry helpless and poor. ইয়ালৈকে আছিল আমাৰ আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং দ্য টেক্সৰ এণ্ড কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ্ছবোৰ। এইবাৰ আমি ইয়াত ডিছকাছ কৰি আছোঁ, মানে মই কৈ দি আছোঁ টকিং এবাউট দ্য টেক্স। ইয়াতে মাত্ৰ তিনিটা কুৱেশ্যন আছে। প্ৰথমটো হ'ল, হাউ ইন ইয়ৰ অপিনিয়ন কেন মুকেশ ৰিয়েলাইজ হিজ ড্ৰিম? এনচাৰটো হ'ব, মুকেশ বিলংছ টু এ ফেমিলি অফ বেংগল মেকাৰ্ছ. The Bengal makers of Firozabad are condemned to lead a life of poverty, misery and exploitation. But Mukesh seems to be an exception. He has not let poverty kill his dreams. He does not want to follow the traditional job of making bangles. He thinks and acts differently than the other members of his family. He dreams to be a motor mechanic. He wants to drive a car one day. Mukesh seems to be determined. It is said that fortune favors the brave. Mukesh's dream can be converted into a reality. Only he will have to find out a garage where he can be admitted as a apprentice. Within no time, he will graduate himself to be a good mechanic. If he wants to become a taxi driver, first of all, he will have to learn how to drive a car. He will get a license only when he clears the driving test. After that, he can join any travel agency as a driver. 2 number question to mention the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry. Answer to hobo, working in the glass bangle industry is quite hazardous. Full stop. It employs about 20,000 children of tender ages. None of them knows that it is illegal for children to work in such industries, but nobody cares for the law in Firozabad. The bangles makers work in glass furnaces with high temperature. They work in dingy cells without air and light. Their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside. That is why they often end up losing their eyesight before they become adults. Mukesh's grandfather became blind with the dust from polishing the glass of bangles. Years of mind-numbing toil have killed all their initiative and the ability to dream. Thousands of boys and girls sit with their fathers and mothers in dark hutments. They shape pieces of colored glass into circles of bangles. 3 number 2 say why should children labor be eliminated and how? It answer to it is crying shame that India has the maximum number of child workers in the world. It is a stigma that puts our heads in shame. Childhood is the most tender age. A child needs love and care. It is quite unfortunate that all the major industries employed a large number of child workers. About 20,000 children work in the furnaces with high temperature in Bangals industry in Firozabad. Carpet industry of Mirzapur employs thousands of children. The worst criminals are the firework factories in Shivakashi. Employment of children in such hazardous industry is illegal. It is banned by the law, but the laws against child labor don't have teeth in them. Those who employ children must be punished, and those who employ them in hazardous industries must be sent behind the bars. Only exemplary punishment can put an end to this shameful practice. ইয়ালৈকে আছিল আমাৰ যিটো আমাৰ ল স্প্ৰিঙৰ এনসাৰবোৰ। তোমালোকে মই PDF ফাইল তলৰ মই ডিসক্ৰিপশন লিংকত দি দিম, তোমালোকে তাৰ পৰা লৈ ডাউনলোড কৰি ল'ব পাৰা। আৰু তোমালোকে আৰু এবাৰ কৈ দিছোঁ, মই তোমালোকে ঘৰত থাকিবা আৰু কিবা যদি লেসনৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ্স লাগে মোক তেতিয়াহ'লে কমেন্ট বক্সত জনাবা। আৰু ষ্টে হোম ষ্টে সেফ। ধন্যবাদ।